Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Kingston. We're on Hope Road and we're going to turn left at the intersection onto Waterloo Road. It's about 3:30 in the afternoon, so that will give you an idea of what the traffic is like in this area. Okay, if we were to go straight across the light, we would stay on Hope Road. If we were to turn right, we would go on to Trafalgar Road. But we're going to turn left and go on to Waterloo Road. This intersection is most popular for Devon House. To the left of the light, that entire area is Devon House. Actually, we're going to go straight across the light so you guys can see what Devon House looks like, and then we'll turn left onto Devon Road. Devon House used to be a great house on a slave plantation. So it's now a historic site in Jamaica where persons can go and take a tour, and the government has fixed up the area around the house, and they have shops, restaurants, and the grounds are like a park where you can go and hang out. Kids can run up and down, eat ice cream. Very nice facility. To the right, I'm not sure if you can see it in the video screen, but that's the YMCA. And on the left, this is actually a new building they're building on the left. This used to be where you see the black tarpaulin. That used to be, okay, they have it office space for rent. That used to be an empty lot. Okay, on the right now you can see Devon House. This is the grounds. And coming up on the left, you can see the Great House. Okay. We're going to do a video on Devon House so you can get a better idea of the history behind it. Okay, we're going to turn left now onto Devon Road. On the right, that's the Andrews Memorial Hospital. It's a private hospital in Jamaica. Okay, so we just turn left onto Devon Road. And to the left where you see the metal fence, that's also Devon House. This is the back of Devon House. Devon House, the most popular restaurant over there is Devon House ice cream. And it's so popular that the ice cream is actually sold all over Jamaica, but that's where it started, Devon House ice cream. They made their own ice cream at that facility, and it's so popular that the ice cream is sold all over Jamaica now. Okay, as you can see, Devon Road has a lot of townhouse complexes, a lot. Almost every other property is an apartment building. Actually, I think this is Devon. I'm not sure what road this is now, but we're going to turn right and take a look at the office of the Prime Minister. This is the road we would take to enter his office. As you can see, more construction going on and a lot of townhouses, apartments. Okay, I think this is also Devon Road. Yeah, this is Devon Road. Yep, Devon Road. Okay, straight ahead now, this is the office of the Prime Minister. Of course, we can't go in because it's the office of the Prime Minister on Devon Road. It has a lot of security. Okay, I don't think we can make that turn, so let's turn around here. Okay, we're going to fly our drone over the facility so that we can get a better view of the office of the Prime Minister. But that will be in another video. And also that will be if we're allowed to. The strange thing about flying drones in Jamaica, depending on the type of drone you have restricted airspace. So we tried to fly the drone downtown to get an aerial view of the buildings, and we weren't able to because we were so close to the airport. We tried flying it in New Kingston, the same thing happened, restricted airspace. So we're going to try and fly it over the office of the Prime Minister, if we're allowed to. I'm not sure why New Kingston would be a restricted area though. There's no airport, there's nothing to do with flying. I don't know if it's because of the buildings, but these drones can detect the buildings and avoid them, so I'm not sure why. If anybody knows, you can leave a message in the comment section. Okay, we're now on West Kings House Road, and to the left is the Canadian Embassy. On the right, that's the Fontana Pharmacy, and there's a Starbucks and a Wendy's over there. That building on the right is built on what used to be the Cholera Cemetery. So when the plans were being approved, persons were wondering, should a building be allowed to go up there? But the government agencies said yes, it was fine. The cholera outbreak was like 300 years ago, so all that is, there is no danger to the public. Okay, so we're now on Waterloo Road. As you can see, to the left is the entrance to the plaza. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.